Hello everyone, this is Mr. Feng with a video recording of this week's lesson, which is between September 28th to October 4th. Now this video is for our 4th grade violin students who will not have lessons on Tuesday, October 4th. And I just want to keep you on pace with everyone else, and so here's the video. It's going to be a brief video. I might do some playing in here, but more importantly, it's the reading of page 33. And because I'm looking at a camera and I can't actually see what I'm showing you on the screen, I might walk behind this camera to point at some of the notes that we're going to review. So be sure you have page 33 out. And if you don't have page 33, I attached page 33 onto the email with this link so your families can help you print out the page. So let's get started. I'm going to walk behind the camera so we can see this. This is new from this week. We talked about the G string sets of notes and we identified what they are. More importantly, we have to figure out what note is what and where it belongs, and ways to remember so that when we see the notes in reading, we can recognize it very quickly. Now you'll see here G has 2 lines above it with a bubble below. A also has 2 ledger lines below the staff, but the difference is the line goes through the bubble. Now for second finger on the G string B, I call this bubble below, B, because there's only one line and the line goes below, and the bubble goes below the line. And the next note is C. I call this Saturn C because it looks like the planet Saturn. In this week's lesson, we warmed up a little bit by just playing a G scale and running through these fingerings here, first finger, second finger, third finger, on the G string so that we know what is what. So we have our open G. First finger gives us A. And it's not H because the music alphabet only contains letters A through G. So it cycles back to A. First finger's A. Second finger gives us B. And third finger right next to it, besties with second finger, gives us C. So let's play a G scale on pepperoni pizza. Get used to being on the G string, and it goes from G to the third finger D string G. Ready? I'll count you off. Pepperoni pizza. B, C, D, E, F, G. Backwards. F, E, D, C, Now looking at page 33, let's play a few of these lines together. And I'd like for you to scan and read some of these before you actually start playing with me, but look at line 111. Take a quick scan. Now in about 10 seconds I'm going to start playing this, but if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so right now so you can read it a little bit before we begin. And if we're ready to go, here is number 111, going through half notes, all G string sets of notes. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a bow lift one more time, go. I feel that 111 is easy enough because it's just a pattern. It's a mini scale going up and down on the G. However, come down to 113, take a quick scan of 113. I'd like for you to pause the video if you need to recognize where your G's, A's, B's, C's are. And in about 10 seconds, I will start playing 113, and join me. Okay, here's 113, and this time we will not repeat the line. We'll play it through once. We'll go slowly. Set the bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's the extent of the examples here in this video lesson. It's very brief, but for our assignment, before our next lesson, I'd like for you to have accomplished 110, 111, 113, 114, and 115. Our next checking assignment will be any one of these 5 lines. Happy practicing, everyone.